Welcome to my channel, and today I will show you again choose of the beef. So this is a beef and you need to find good pieces. So I think this is ribs, which I will not take for cooking, but this look like a shoulder, so I will take it. This one, this looks like a shoulder for me, so I'll take it. What else can I find here? Ribs. This look like a shoulder, but I don't like it. This shoulder, but a little bit solid. So this is a big shoulder blade bit joint. What's this? This again ribs. What's this? This look like ribs. No, not interesting. You see, this is a shoulder blade, but cut. What's this? This look like shoulder blade, but very solid. Ribs again. This is a brisket. Brisket we will not take. And this soft shoulder. I don't like this bit. Can we take it off? If you take it off, then no, it's impossible to take it off. But this is nice shoulder, so I'll take this nice shoulder. So this is how you buy cow. If you like this interesting video about cow, subscribe to my channel and wait for an interesting video. Thank you. Bye.